Shannie from Mountain One Products Stained Glass Studios. Today we're going to make these lovely Christmas light bulbs out of your scrappy glass. They're a lovely last minute gift for that person that you totally forgot about, but you don't want to admit that you forgot about, and you're like, no, I brought you these. Aren't they adorable? They're the cutest things ever. I didn't forget you. They'll never know. Let's get to fluxing. Squeeze off the excess so it doesn't spatter all up in your face hole. Meow, meow. If you're a beginner or if you are a little slower at soldering, which is totally fine, just flux one at a time so it doesn't dry out till you get to the next one. Phew. We're going to tin first. Will not hold your piece together in the long term, but it's kind of like priming before you paint. Fills in any gaps and makes the edge beading smooth and lovely. We flip it over, do it again. Real thin coating. No lumpies. What the heck is on my soldering iron? Get off of there! Ah! Okay, we got it. Don't worry. Grab your clamp. And lots of flux this time. That is one of the keys to good edge beading. Tin again. All the way around. Lots of flux again. And boom! Look at that. All that heat magically turned the purple to yellow. That's not even remotely true, but I changed the camera angle, so there's that. Isn't it fancy? Alright, here we go. Bloomp. Connect your one bloomp to the next bloomp. To the next bloomp. Now you're going to want to do this more slowly if you're not using lead-free. Whoop. Essentially, you're melting one into the next, into the next, into the next. If you screw up, it's okay. You can always go back through and remelt so that everything is nice and smooth. If you're struggling with your edge beading, you want some one-on-one help from me, come join my Peace, Love, and Stained Glass community. You can get the patterns for these little dudes in there for free too. Now, I'm using clothespins instead of my clamps. Because I thought, well, what if you don't have the clamps yet and you have a clothespin at home and you want to try it? So I figured I'd try it. And it kind of works. You'll see why they're not the best in a moment. Here we're doing the flat areas. Let it dry. And foomp, 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 foomp. Alright, this is my favorite way to do jump rings. But you see how it's kind of unstable with those clothespins. Make sure that you're using the opening of the jump ring. Bury that is what I'm trying to say. Bury it in your solder. First you flux your jump ring, then you flux your piece, then you go foomp, heat it up a little, and drop it in there like that. That doesn't look marvelous because it was ruching all over the place. And that's okay because we're going to put a little bit here. And then in keeping with this wonky, crazy, weirdo clothespin thing not working out, I'm going to show you what happens if you don't wait from one side to the next and let it cool off a little. Whoops, see there. I should have let it cool off on the one side, then flipped it over and did the little fix. Because now you can see it's leaning back, leaning back. To fix that situation, you want to put it back into the holders vertically, root your ring around while you're heating up the solder, and you'll be good to go. And I see a little funkish spot over here on the edge. If you see that, you can go back in and remelt, add a little if you need to. Sometimes you have to add a little flux. Mine's schmecky enough yet that I didn't need to. And just go over it, make sure none of it sucks, and you'll be good to go. Cooling off. Oh, here we go. Isn't that lovely? You love it. It's your favorite. It's beautiful. Till next time, peace, love, and stained glass. Oh, goodbye.